In this video, I'll show you how to earn $30 in every 10 minutes, and that's also $180 in an hour, and that's with the help of Google Translate. But please keep in mind, this is not a transcription method or a write to blog post method. This is a completely different method and a completely different way to make money online with the help of Google Translate. And the best thing about it is that it's 100% free, and the only thing which will be needed by you to begin this process is PayPal. Now let's do the math. If in 10 minutes you are being paid $30, then in an hour we have 6 minutes. We have 6 of 10 minutes in an hour. So that means you're gonna be paid $180 in an hour. Then for a day, averagely on this website, people work for 3 to 5 hours a day. So averagely you could be earning $900 in a day, and that's crazy. So the first thing you do is go on to Google and you search on Google Translate. Then you scroll down and click on Google Translate. As you can see, this is the website Google Translate. It's very easy for you to translate from one language to the other, okay? But if you don't know how to do that, let's say you want to translate from English to Spanish, then let's click, let's write hello. Let's write hello. As you can see, we got hola. If you want to translate maybe from English to any other different language that's switching on among these three, so you could just simply click here and you choose a language. So now that you know how to translate from one language to the other using Google Translate, let us head off to CPA Grip. So this website CPA Grip is very easy for you to use this website to make money online. That will provide you an affiliate link for you to copy, and when people perform actions like click on the link or put an email address, they're going to pay for that. And the best thing about it is that they pay through PayPal, which is globally available. Then the next thing which you need to do is to register to CPA Grip. So you just go on to register, you click here, then scroll down, you can see you are required to give just basic information. So it's very easy for you to give out this first name, last name. As you can see, for the company and the website, this is not needed. If you don't have this, then no problems with that. So you just need to quickly fill out this and you click on register. So when you click on register, then you can then log in with your email and password. So when you log into CPA Grip, it's going to direct you onto the dashboard. As you can see on a public chat, it displays to you how much users are earning with this particular website. As you can see, an individual has earned $9,201.52, and that's with 5,468 leads. And just today, another guy has made $59.89, and that's just with 3 leads. And another person has made $65.39 just with 49 leads. I mean, people are making crazy amount of money with this particular website. So how do you begin? The first thing you do is go on to offer tools, then you click on my offers. So when this page opens, it's going to detect the country which you are in at that point in time. As you can see, United States for me. Then scrolling down and going to title, you can see those are the different offers available with the respective payout. Now let's click on this arrow pointing at the top to see the maximum payout. So the maximum payout here is $2.31. So let's say your target maybe is $2,000, and with this particular offer, that means you need to have a lot of traffic. You need to have at least 1,000 people interacting with your post and doing the desired objective. But please, you might think that's quite challenging, but it's not the case, because there is a particular website which I'm going to show you which guarantees at least 1,000 visitors to your offer. And the best thing about it is that you don't even need to promote this particular offer, which the pay is this low for $2.31. So to get the best offer, all you need to do is to change the country and go to countries where they have a higher payout value. So let's click on this and try France. So scrolling down, you can see let's make sure this is the maximum payout. So let's click on this. As you can see, the maximum payout here for France is $23. I mean, this is crazy compared to what we just saw for $1. I mean, this is really amazing. Now let's just go forward and check for another country. Let's check on Spain. So scrolling down, let's click the arrow at the top. $19.25. This is not bad, but at least better than what we saw at first, which was $2. So let's still check again and see. Let's go on to Germany. So scrolling down, let's check the maximum payout here. So here we go to the $3.53. Still a very good one. Now, according to my research on what I did before, the best which I saw was for Netherlands. So let's go on to Netherlands and see. So scrolling down and let's check on the maximum payout. Clicking on this arrow, you can see it's $27.38. I mean, this is really amazing, far better than what we have seen before. As I told you, there is a website which I'm going to show you that guarantees 1,000 visitors onto your post. So let's assume just 10% of them actually interact with your post. That's 100. Now let's do the mathematics. 100 times $27.38, that's at least $2,000. So please follow up with me. I'm going to show you how to copy the affiliate link and how to promote it onto this particular website. So to get started, click on the image of the offer. Then guys, this is the offer that just popped up. This is written in Dutch, it means checkout, and this means enter your information now. Let's just copy it and go on to Google Translate. Let's paste it and see. Enter your details now to get started. So going back to the offer, I'm sure you just don't want to promote an offer without even knowing what it talks about. So this particular offer requires 600 participants. That's for every 600 participants that participate in this offer just by entering their email and password and signing up to this program. There is a lucky winner in every 600 participants that is going to go away with an iPhone 14 Plus Pro or Pro Max. It's that easy. So the individual just needs to put in the email and password and sign up to this program. And for 600 participants, they are going to choose a winner, which is going to go away with an iPhone 14 Plus Pro or Pro Max. So it's that easy. The only thing which is your business and the only thing which you need to do is just to copy the affiliate link and promote it onto the site which I'm going to show you. So when you copy the affiliate link, then first of all, you hit onto Bitly. So Bitly is just to help shorten the link. As you can see, the link here just looks nasty. It's just quite long and so unattractive. So when you copy the link and you head on to Bitly, so this is Bitly. It's very easy to create an account with Bitly. When you are done creating an account, then you just go on to create new. Then you go on to link. Then onto destination, you can click here and you paste the link you just copied. You paste the link there. Then going down below, you can see create. You hit on create. Then the next thing we should do is you hit on edit. Then just scrolling down, you can see customize back half. So you just click here and this back half, you erase it. Heading back now to CPA grid, please remember I told you that for every winner in every 600 participants, they are going to award a person with an iPhone 14 Plus Pro or Pro Max. So what we need to do is, at the back half, we need to write iPhone 14 Pro Max. But remember, we need to write that in Dutch because we are promoting an offer in Dutch. So going back to Google Translate, and that's now on to see how iPhone 14 Pro Max is being written in Dutch. So write the iPhone 14 Pro Max, okay? So iPhone 14 Pro Max. So you see in Dutch it's almost the same. So let's just hit on copy. Then we go back to Bitly and we can paste in there. Now you need to join the words because it's not going to be accepted if it's empty, if there are spaces between. So you hit now on save. But as you can see, error, this customization is not available. So let's change the name so we can just add some figures ahead. Then we hit now on save. As you can see, the link has been edited. So that's all we should need to do. Now the next thing we should do is you go down and hit on copy. So that's all. Now what we need to do is to promote this link onto the website which I'm going to show you. So this is how the ad looks like. So first of all, you can see the title. So we have to write the title of the ad, of course, but please remember the title has to be in Dutch because we are promoting this offer in Dutch. Now let's go back onto CPA Grip. So remember, when somebody signs up to this offer and the person has been selected, the person is going to win an iPhone 14 Pro Max. So how are we going to write our title? Let's go back onto Google Translate. You can win now an iPhone 14. You can win an iPhone 14 Pro Max now. So in Dutch, this is how it looks like. So we hit this and copy. So this is the essence of Google Translate. Then we go back to traffic ad bar. Then we click here and paste, okay? Then you just go down at line 1. So you need to give them a little, you need to give some additional information. So what you need to write on ad line 1 is just head back to CPA Grip. So remember this, let's just copy this. You need to copy this. Just hit Control C. Let's go back to Google Translate and switching that from Dutch to English. Enter your details now to get started. Enter your details now to get started. So that's what you need to copy and go on to at line 1 and paste it, okay? So we're done with the title in Dutch, add line 1 in Dutch. Then you can skip add line 2, not really necessary. And then the language, what's the language of your art and web page? So remember, you need to put Dutch, okay? Please don't forget that. Then you scroll down, all countries, no. You need to choose Netherlands, okay? So we got that. So when you are done with that, you just scroll down to the bottom and click on save. So that's all, guys, because the ad has already been saved in the network. So just as I've said before, that particular website guarantees you at least 1,000 visitors onto your post. So let's say at least 10% of those 1,000 visitors actually interact with your post and fulfill the required objectives, then we should be talking about $2,700. I mean, that is crazy for doing little or no work. Even if you get 10% of still that 100 people, then that should be $270. I mean, that is crazy. So please try this process out because it's very important. It's going to get you a passive income. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get videos of this type and like this video. Thank you and have a nice day.